Hi guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and in this episode of Laura in the Kitchen, I want to show you how to make lemon cheesecake cookies. It's basically cookies that taste like lemon cheesecake, and they are so good. The texture are just dreamy, and I just love them, and I figure like, it's time for a cookie recipe, because I don't think I made one in like a month. So let's get started. The ingredients you'll need are few, but they're all the right ones, so don't skimp, they're all important. What I have here is some self-rising cake flour, important stuff right here, granulated sugar. This is some instant lemon pudding and some powdered sugar. I also have some cream cheese and unsalted butter that have been softened at room temperature, an egg, vanilla extract, and some lemon zest. Now, because I'm using self-rising flour here, self-rising cake flour, I don't have to add any salt or any baking powder to this because it's all in there. But if I didn't, if I wasn't using them, then I'd have to. So, but make sure that you get the right flour because it makes a big, big difference. In my standing mixer with a paddle attachment, I'm going to add the cream cheese and the butter, and I'm going to mix this for a good 3 minutes. I want to make sure it's super, super well mixed. I'm just going to add that in. That looks great. If you're using a big mixer like I am, just make sure that you give it a scrape every like 20 seconds or so just to make sure it's getting well combined. But what you're looking for in terms of the texture is the texture of like soft whipped butter. That's what you're looking for, the kind that you spread on a nice piece of bread. That's what you want. Now I'm going to add my egg along with a good splash of my homemade vanilla extract. Make sure you always shake it to lift those beans, and then a grating of lemon zest. It's always so hard to do with this thing, with the a paddle attachment already on, or any attachment, but it's gonna be so good. Wonderful. And now you just mix this again for another 2 minutes or so, or until well incorporated. I'm just gonna give everything a good scrape. Oh, it smells so good already from the lemon. Okay, get it going. That looks really great, and like I said, just make sure you keep scraping. This looks good enough though. And now I'm just going to add all of the dry ingredients. That's it. Real simple, real easy, real delicious. So just add that all in. Oh, you're going to get a facial, but it's okay. Okay. And now you just mix until it's well incorporated. That's pretty much it. So the dough looks great, a little sticky now, but that is exactly what you're looking for. And now I'm going to cover this with plastic wrap, pop it into the fridge for half an hour. Then I'm going to make some cookies. I'm going to show you what they look like before they go in, and they're going to be, you don't even know. You don't even, listen, here's what I tell you. Now I know with these young ones, there's been some stuff going on YouTube, you know, some drama. But listen, make yourself a quesadilla, make yourself a pizza or a cheesecake cookie. Life is sweet. All is well with the world. Listen to Mama Vitale. Make yourself a cookie and be fine. Share it with the person you can't stand. Sharing is caring. All right, I'm just going to pop these in and I'll show you what they look like when they come out before we put them in the oven. My dough was in the fridge for about an hour. I took it out about 5 minutes ago, got my oven going at 350, and I just took a cookie scoop, like an ice cream scoop, about the size of a tablespoon or so, and you just dollop out your cookies. Now, if you feel like your dough is a little bit too sticky and it's sticking too much to the scoop, here's what you do. You take a little flour, shake off all the excess, and you're back in business. That's it. Just put them a few inches apart. See how it releases really easily? And that's it. Once you have them all scooped out, you just take your fingers and you dip them a little bit into the flour so that they don't stick, and you just ever so lightly give them a gentle squeeze, a gentle press, just like that. Just not, you don't want to make them pancake-like, but you just want to give them a little, oh, something, you know what I mean? Give them a little head start, just like that. Now this recipe makes about 1.5 dozen, and I have some leftover dough here. I'm just going to pop it into the fridge, and then whenever I want freshly baked lemon cheesecake cookies, then I'm minutes away from them. Oven's ready at 350, 10 minutes. I'll show you what they look like when they are done. My cookies baked for exactly 10 minutes, and I've let them cool completely because when they come out of the oven, by the way, I'm sprinkling in with some powdered sugar. When they come out of the oven, you're gonna say, oh, they gotta go back in. They don't have enough color. They have no color actually, and they're really soft. That's where you'll run into a mistake. You're not trying to make biscuits, you're trying to make really amazing, delicious, just tender, slightly, I'm gonna say slightly squidgy. Wrong word probably, but no, that's about the right word. Not often I'm speechless. Enjoy it. I mean, the most decadent, chewy, soft. It literally has the texture of cheesecake on the inside. Don't overbake these. Make them this weekend. They are everything I've dreamed of and so much more. They're so good, so delicious. I'm going in for the whole half. For Laura in the kitchen.com for the recipe. Hope you enjoy spending time with me. Just do it.